In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to a sheet in Smartsheet. To follow along, start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet in the grid view. Make sure you're logged in and that you have the sheet open where you actually want to add the new columns. You should see your familiar rows and columns laid out just like a spreadsheet. First, we're going to switch into the newer table style experience. Look toward the top of the sheet for the view controls. You'll see an option labeled Grid. Go ahead and click on Grid to open the view options, and then select Table, which may be labeled as Table New in your account. This switches you into the updated layout where working with columns is a bit more streamlined, but your data remains exactly the same. Now that you're in the table view, move your mouse up to the column header area. This is the row at the top that shows the titles of each column. You'll see a small highlighted control or plus icon for adding a column. Click that highlighted area to start adding a new column. A panel or dialog will appear where you can define the details for your new column. For the first column we're adding, we'll keep it simple and use a basic text number type. In the column type options, click on text number. This type is great for general information like notes, IDs, or anything that doesn't need a special format. Once you've confirmed that text number is selected, click on Apply to create that column. You should now see your new column added to the sheet, ready for data entry. Next, we'll add another column, but this time we'll use a drop-down list, which is helpful for keeping values consistent, like status or priority. Again, go back to the column header area and click on the same highlighted control to add another column. When the column settings appear, open the list of column types and scroll until you find drop-down list. Click on drop-down list to select it. After choosing drop-down list, you can configure the options later to define the specific values users can pick from. For now, we're just focusing on setting the correct type. Once drop-down list is selected, click Apply. Your new drop-down column is now added to the sheet, and you're ready to start standardizing data using predefined choices. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, switch to the table view, use the highlighted controls in the column header to add new columns, choose the appropriate column types like text, number, or drop-down list, and click Apply to save each one.